Hi everyone, so Ode to My Family. I remember playing the song on guitar when I was a teenager because it was a beautiful song and singing it at an open mic. What does it do? How do we figure it out by ear? I think I actually figured the song out by ear many years ago. So we choose our chord. Let's choose a C. Is it a major or a minor? Two, 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 two. Let's try minor just to trick ourselves. Two, two, two. Oh, that's way too sad. So two, two, two. Oh, that's much nicer. So it's a major song. Let's try a 1, 4, 5. Two, 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 two. Too happy. Two, 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 two. It could work with a 5 there, but probably not. Let's do our 1 to minor 6, just like in Hallelujah and in other songs. Two, 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 two. Perfect. So it's a 1 to a minor 6. Where do we go from here? It does something beautiful. It goes to the minor 3rd. Man, it's this beautiful fall. We don't see it often. So where can we go from the minor 6? We can go to the minor 2 or to the 4 or the 5. So let's try all those. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Minor 2 didn't work. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Also doesn't work. The 4. Let's try the 5. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. The 5 almost works. Let's try. It's too happy. So what do? Let's try that minor 3rd. Because it's right next to the minor 6, we keep going up to the minor 3rd. And this is just, it's going to hit the nail right on the head. So 2, 2, 2, minor 6. It just sinks right there. It doesn't happen often, but when it does, it's this thing that fits perfectly. Minor 3rd. From a minor 3rd, just like you know how we do the 1 to major 3rd, and it needs to resolve itself. We either go to the minor 6 or the 4. In this case, we went 1, minor 6, minor 3rd. Now we're going to go back up to 4, 2, 2, 2, 5, 4, 5, 1. Because we have to come back to the 1, the 4 rarely comes back straight to the 1. It does. But the 4 comes back to the 1 much nicer when it hits the 5. Because the 5 resolves very nicely on the 1. So 2, 2, 2, 2. And we hit the 5 just slightly. 2. In order to come back to the 1. And we'll see the same thing in the verse, right? And this chord structure lasts throughout the whole song. Beautiful ballad, beautiful ode. I know an ode is not a ballad, but still an ode is, you know, it could be a love ballad. Yeah, beautiful chord structure. That's minor 6 to the minor 3rd. Listen for it in other songs. Whenever you find it, write it down, because if you're performing a song that's from that minor 6 to the minor 3rd, you're gonna tug at people's hearts. Enjoy.